Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain few questions from exercise 3.3 chapter understanding quadrilateral. So this is question number 8. GUNS or GUNS is a parallelogram. Find the length of X and Y. Figure is drawn here. GUNS is a parallelogram and length of sides are written here. Like GU is 3y minus 1. UN is 18, 26 and this is 3x. We have to find out the value of x and y from this by using properties of parallelogram. So since GUNS is a parallelogram, now these measures are given the length of the sides. So related to sides of parallelogram, here opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. This is a property which will be used here. And opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, which opposite side? GU is equal to SN. This side is equal to this side. GU is equal to SN and second pair of side is GS is equal to UN, this side. Length of GU is given 3y minus 1 is equal to 26 and 3x is equal to 18. Now using concept of linear equation, we will find out the value of x and y. So 3y is equal to 26 plus 1. 3y is equal to 27. Y is equal to 27 upon 3. Y is equal to 9. Here and x is equal to 18 upon 3. X is equal to 6. So this is the value of x and y. Thus, x is equal to 6. You have to find out the length in centimeters. So it is 6 centimeter and y is equal to 9 centimeter. So to find the value of x and y, we have to use property that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Similarly, next part is RUNS is a parallelogram and we have to find the value of x and y in centimeters here again. Figure is drawn. RUNS is a parallelogram. Now see 16, this part 16 and this part is x plus y, here 20 and here y plus 7. It means the property which will be used here will be related to diagonals. So this is the length of the diagonals. So solution is, since RUNS is a parallelogram and in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. They are bisecting. It means diagonal RU is bisecting SU, which means SO is equal to OU, and diagonal SU is bisecting RN, which means RO is equal to ON. So this implies to first diagonal is, we can take any, like ON is equal to OR, and from second diagonal OU is equal to OS. This part is equal to this part and this part is equal to this part. So diagonals bisect each other. Length of ON is given, x plus y is equal to 16, and length of OU, this half part, is y plus 7 is equal to 20. Now we have got here two equations. We will find out. If we check the first one, this is x plus y. Two different variables are there. So we'll leave this first. y plus 7 is equal to 20. Yes, linear equation in one variable we will solve to find out the value of y. y is equal to 20 minus 7, y is equal to 13. So this is one value. Now see, the question is same, and this value of y will be replaced or substituted here in this first equation. So x plus y is equal to 16, which means x plus this y will be substituted. 13 is equal to 16, and x is equal to 16 minus 13, x is equal to 3, which means, or thus, x is equal to 3 centimeter and y is equal to 13 centimeter. So this is the answer. So in this second part, property of diagonals which bisect each other in a parallelogram is used. Now next we have question number 9. In this figure, risk and clue are parallelograms. So two parallelograms are joined here. Find the value of x. This part is marked as x. This one. And we have to find out the value of x. So how to find out this x? If we see this x is inside this triangle ES, here name is not given, so we will name this point of intersection as O. So which says that EOS now is a triangle. Angle O is x, which we have to find out. So we should know these two angles. So let us name angle S as 1 and angle E as 2. So first we will find out measure of angle 1 and 2. Okay, so first risk, RISK, is a parallelogram. I will draw here this parallelogram separately. This is RISK. K is marked as 120 degree. S is marked as angle 1, which I have marked here just now. Now, in parallelogram RISK, angle K plus angle S is equal to 180 degree, because sum of adjacent angles is supplementary or 180 degree, which means angle K is 120 degree plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 60 degrees. So this has been calculated. Now second type of parallelogram is clue. That also I will draw here separately the figure. Now shape of or direction of this parallelogram is like this. So name is CLUE, where angle L is given as 70 degree and angle E, which I have marked as 2 here. Now angle L is equal to angle E. L will be equal to, angle 2. This is clue parallelogram given. This I have marked in the beginning only. So in parallelogram clue, angle L is equal to angle E. Why? Because opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. This is the symbol of parallelogram. Two parallel lines and GM, parallelogram. So angle L is 70 degree is equal to angle 2. This implies to angle 2 is equal to 70 degree. This is the second part. Now see the figure again. In triangle EOS, angle 1 we have just now calculated as 60 degree, 2 is 70 and third is x. By using angle sum property of triangle, we will find out the measure of x. Now in triangle OES, x plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. X plus 1 is 60 degree, 2 is 70 degree is equal to 180 degrees. X plus 130 degrees is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 130 degrees. X is equal to 50 degree. So, hence value of X is equal to 50 degrees. Next we have question number 10. Explain how this figure is a trapezium. The figure is given to us. KLMN is a figure where angle L is 80 degree, M is 100 degree. We have to tell how this figure is a trapezium. So for this we should know what is a trapezium. Trapezium is a figure where one pair of opposite side is parallel. So we have to tell that. We'll see what is given and what we can do here. So in the given figure, angle L plus angle M is equal to, this angle L is 80 degree plus M is 100 degree is equal to 180 degree. So sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree and they both are adjacent angles or they are same side of the transversal. So how to write here? And we know that when a transversal cuts two lines such that pair of interior angles of the same side of transversal are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. See this transversal here LM, this is intersecting two lines KL and NM, and same side of transversal, these two interior angles of the same side of transversals make supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So these two lines are parallel. Sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. So they are supplementary. This is the reason why these two sides are parallel. If two sides are parallel, it means KLMN is a trapezium. So here transversal LM cuts two lines. Which two lines? KL and NM, and a pair of interior angle L and angle M are supplementary. So KL is parallel to NM. Hence KLMN is a trapezium. Now in the next question, number 11, find measure of angle C in the following figure if AB is parallel to DC. Now figure ABCD is given. AB is parallel to DC. Angle B is 120 degree. We have to find out measure of angle C. Here AB is parallel to DC and BC is the transversal. Therefore, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So here reason, again we have to write same side of transversal make. Same side of transversal are supplementary angles, or simply you can write co-interior angles. This point was already explained in previous lessons. So angle B is 120 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degree. Angle C is equal to 60 degree. So this is the measure of angle C.